my YouTube channel, subscribe please. There are many types of freelance work that can be done online, depending on your skills and interests. Some popular examples of online freelance work include 1. Writing and editing. Many companies and websites need content writers, copywriters, and editors to create and refine their online content. 2. Graphic design. If you have an eye for design and knowledge of design software, you can work as a freelance graphic designer creating logos, marketing materials, and other visual content. 3. Programming and web development. These skills are in high demand, as businesses and individuals need websites, software, and apps developed to meet their needs. 4. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with administrative tasks, such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and bookkeeping. 5. Social media management. If you have experience in social media marketing, you can help businesses create and execute social media campaigns. There are many websites and platforms that connect freelancers with clients, such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and many others. You can create a profile and apply for jobs that match your skills and interests. It's important to be professional and communicate clearly with clients, and to be mindful of pricing and deadlines to build a positive reputation as a freelancer. Don't have the ability to subscribe to YouTube channels or any other online platform. However, I can assist you with any questions you may have or provide advice on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know if there is anything else I can help you with.